Hello guys, we use smartphone Huawei Y6s. This version 3GB RAM memory and 32GB internal memory. Open box and look compactation. Device, the black color. Okay. In compactation we have adapter and cable, micro USB cable for charging. That's all compactation. Okay, and now talk about device. Device made of plastic, single camera on the back side, LED and fingerprint scanner. On the front side 6.1-inch display, front camera. On the left side slot for nano SIM cards. On the right side power key and volume keys. Upside headphone jack and microphone. On the downside speaker and micro USB port. Turn on device. Turn on. Display IPS, resolution HD, open settings and look Android version. System, about phone. Okay, model Yumi 8.1.0, Android 9. System information, MediaTek 6765, CPU speed 2.3 and 1.8 GHz. This is octa-core processor 4+4 cores. Okay, close this and open AnTuTu benchmark. Look AnTuTu benchmark score. Okay, AnTuTu benchmark score and run GTA San Andreas. Look how GTA San Andreas work on the device. Medium graphic level. Resume game. Game load. Works good, without glitches and lags. On this graphic level. Okay, close GTA San Andreas and talk about camera. Main camera 30 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.